Alright guys, so I'm plastic dipping the front bow tie, but doing it different than last time, so I want to show y'all before it gets too dark. Taking the grill out, that way you can get this out, because I didn't really try, but I don't believe you can get your arm in there in order to unclip the clips that are on the back of this. But how to take the grill out, all you do is there's two tabs. Well, you got to take the cover off right here. There's a bunch of push pins. And then there's 4 screws holding the top of the grill in. Take those out, and then there's these little hooks that go in here. You lift this one, and then get you a flathead screwdriver, stick it through the hole so it holds it from falling down. Do that on both sides, and then the tab is farther up on these. Just grab them as far up as you can, pop them up. Once you get the top off, then they go down the side here, and they go in there. So then you gotta pull straight out. Put you some tape down or something, so in case it rubs, it doesn't scratch your truck. But that's how you get this out. And now I'll show you how to get the bow tie off. So now we got the grill out here, and here's how your bow tie sits in there. So it's just these little tabs right here on the back side of the grill. Just push them over, and then the bow tie will come out. So now we're gonna take it, put it on here, and try to figure out the best way to plastic dip the outside of this and black and get this white. Kind of having to think pretty good on this, because with the plastic dip you can't just go over it again. Like, I can't do it all black and then do it white and then peel off the extra black. It's all going to be covered, you know, the plastic dip's going to bond to each other. So I'm thinking do it all black and then go by here and mask off and do this white. Hopefully it doesn't gunk up in the corners, but we'll have to see. So I'm probably going to try it a couple different ways and see which way comes out best, and I'll let y'all know. Alright, so here's what we're working with. We got the black bow tie. It's drying, and then I'll pull the center out and try to do it white. We got the Z71 badge that goes in the grill. Got it white. We'll see how that turns out. And then we got the front chrome piece that goes in the valance. First coat of white on it. So if everything can come out like I'm got it planned in my head, I think it's gonna look so insanely sick, but we'll see. Alright guys, so we've got her put back somewhat. Just gonna make this for the people that wanted to see what this bottom valance looked like, all black. At first I did think it was kind of cheap looking, like I originally said, but I don't really mind it. It kind of looks pretty decent with the black right there, so that might be an option if the white doesn't work out. But we've got the bow tie off, and we've also got the Z71 badge off. We're gonna do it white, and I just had to button the truck back up because I've got to drive it tomorrow, and I'm gonna let this stuff dry overnight, not because I'm gonna have to apply some pressure to put them back on. This bottom thing has about 3,000 little tabs you have to press in order to get it off, but other than that, there's no screws or anything like that, so it just destroys your fingers and takes forever. But yeah, so it's fairly easy to get off. The Z71 badge has 2 little tabs that go in there. They're not clips or anything, and it has 3M tape that holds it on, and then the bow tie just has some tabs as well. So yeah, but yeah, just one little look while it's unfinished, and let's go check out how everything's looking right now. Alright guys, we are all done, and I must say it looks freaking sick. Like I said, this is not a permanent thing. This is just to see if I really wanted to get it painted, and I 100% am going to get it painted now for sure. So the bow tie is not perfect because I did have to do the two-tone thing, and it was not something as simple as just masking off. I tried my best, but it still got a little overspray on it because I had to be careful not to put the tape on too strong or it'd pull the plastic dip up. But yeah, so whatever. Let's get into it. Boom. There she is. I guess this is not the best lighting at all. Might actually move the truck, get a little bit better angle. But yeah, so looking pretty sick. It matches pretty decent. The plastic dip on the bottom chrome piece looks a little bit brighter than my truck, but my truck's pretty dirty, so they might be pretty close once it's cleaned. But yeah, I do like that white down there for sure. And I do really love the bow tie with the black outline and the white. Let me actually move the truck and get a little bit better lighting. All right, guys. Well, there's our finished product. Got the Z71 badge done. Finally. Looks pretty sick. Already got bugs and crap all over it. I think it looks pretty daggone good. Definitely gonna get it professionally painted now. But yeah, y'all comment down below, let me know what you think. It's not perfect, but it's pretty dang good. And a little sneak peek of a future video. Whoop. Y'all let me know about the old white out front. I'll catch you on the next one.